Hey, today we're going to talk about how I got that $25,000 Navy Federal card. If I can do it, you can too.
It's Latoya, oh, it's Latoya, oh, it's Latoya, the credit guru.
All right, so let's cover it. Listen, guys, I've already placed on my website how to do it step by step. I give you the video, I tell you where to go, how to do it, and you can purchase that on the website. Now, here, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to do. Why? Because I know 80% of you guys ain't going to do it anyway. I'll do it for you. I know everything to put. I know exactly where to put, and I'm about to tell you, I'm going to give you the tea. So these are just a few cards that I have. Let's get you pre-approved. All right, guys, here's where we're going to do the pre-approval. Okay, you click on loans and credit cards, and we're going to see if we're going to get pre-approved before we get that hard inquiry. So once you get to this screen, you'll see loans and credit cards. You're going to click on credit cards. It's going to bring you to the screen to sign in. It's going to show your important information, and then you're going to put in your information as this applies to you. Your total income, total annual income is what you are going to provide. Monthly housing expenses, this is what you are going to provide. Do you own or rent? And you hit authorize. I authorize, for them to get your information. Once you hit submit, the next screen is going to come up all the cards that you have been pre-approved for. Okay, if there's more than one card, apply for the first one, go back and reapply for the next one. If you do not get any cards at this time, then unfortunately, you try at a later date. Okay, it's already letting you know you didn't get pre-approved, and sometimes the secure card would come up, letting you know, hey, you weren't approved for an unsecured card, but you can secure a card. Hope this helps. And I didn't show everything on the screens, obviously for personal reasons, but you will know screen by screen basically of what I just told you. I hope this helps. Heads up. If the green cash reward card comes up, get that. That's one of the easier cards to get. Or the Navy Federal American Express card. Okay? The flagship, you're reaching on that one. Unless you have impeccable credit, try to get that one last. All right, so as a disclaimer for me, I'm going to say to you, in order to get this Navy Federal card, you need to be a member, okay? Find out more information on how to become a member if you are. Okay, let's get to the next one. There is an internal scoring system that Navy Federal use. Okay, it's from 100 to 450. The closer you are to 450, the higher limits that you are going to receive. Keep that in mind, and if you ever want to know what your score is, you can give them a call. They can tell you over the phone, or once you apply for this card and you get it in the mail, it will have your rating on it. You make sure you pay down on your card, make sure you're paying on time, and keep your utilization low. Okay, guys? Happy hunting. You have to understand everything that you write on your applications. You're giving that information. So, understand, this is for educational purposes only. Do not come over here with no legal anything, because it's for educational purposes only. All right. So listen, how much you make from your employer is your business. That's not on public record. So what you put on your applications is up to you. Now, when you're filling out that application, you want to make sure that you are understanding the questions. So the question is, do you own or rent? Do you own or rent? Everything you put on this application is what you are putting on this application. The bureaus get your information from you. That's where I'm gonna leave that. Wake up if you go to sleep early between 11 and 5 a.m. Process your application. You will thank me later. Why is it so important to do it at night? Well, we don't have any humans trying to approve our applications. It's an algorithm that will just generate from the computer. That's why you're going to do it at night. And that's why you're going to keep in mind whatever information you put on this application, you are putting it on. Whether it's your employer's information, whether it's how much you get paid annually, whether if you rent or own. They're asking this information from you. I will not tell you what to put. I'm giving you the information because you don't know what you don't know. Now you know. Everything you put on applications, you have verified that information. They are going to approve you based on that information. I cannot tell you any more clearer than that. Again, this is for informational, educational purposes only. You'll thank me later. What are you waiting for? Go apply. And this is for Navy Federal Credit Union. Comments down below, tell me if this helped you so that other people that when they're looking at this video, they know for sure if this gonna go. Thank you guys. And stick around to the end. Y'all always know that I have my bonus videos. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. All right, we're at the end of the video, so you know I'm here to give you that last shift of your paradigm. I'm here to encourage you. I'm here to let you know that all things are possible. You can do all things. Okay, you don't need to be in any different position. The only thing you have to do is shift your mind, your thoughts, your image. So what I'm going to ask you to do is think about right now, how would you love to live your life? Not his life, not her life, not their life. How would you like to live your life? Visualize it and feel, get in that feeling, get in that energy. Feel what that feels like. And then build an image. I want you to really be able to picture it. Yeah, remember all that things, your imagination that's for children. Get that back. Change that mind. We need to be able to visualize. So that is using your imagination. Let's start now. What does that mean to you? What does success mean to you? Quiet yourself. Feel that feeling. Feel that new car, that money, that new house, being able to refinance. Feel that, building generational wealth. And then I want you to visualize yourself. Write it down. Okay? Write it down. Start writing it down. Be in that moment, and all things are possible. There's nothing greater, nothing better than you. I'll see you next time.